Network Topology Mapper. In this video, I will show you how you can build your network topology using SolarWinds software. Just search on Google Network Topology Mapper. Here you can see link with the solarwind.com. Just open it. And click on download free trial. And just fill up the form to download free trial. I've already downloaded the software into VMware Workstation. So let me demonstrate you. Here you can see I've already installed SolarWinds Network Topology Mapper. Just click on New Scan. And if you have already SNMP server in your infrastructure, you can select public or private. I don't have, so I just click on Next. If you have already stored connection for WMI, you can provide here. I don't have, just click on Next. If you want to get an information about VMware infrastructure, you can give credentials for VMware infrastructure. I don't have, just click on Next. Here you can define IP range or subnet information to scan network. I have a network 192.168.159.0 and subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and just click on Add. It will scan for 192.168.159.0 and just click on Next. Here you can define scan name, network mapper _1 and just click on Next. And yes, run this discovery now. Just click on Next and discover. It will discover network device information. I've installed all the operating system into VMware Workstation environment. If you have a already existing LAN environment, physical LAN environment, like you have routers, you have printers connected with some devices, you have IP phones, Cisco switches, firewalls, routers. So you can build complete network topology infrastructure in this SolarWinds Network Topology Mapper software. It will show you all the information like how your device is connected with each other using a LAN connection. So let it scan all the network devices in the network. Here you can see complete information of network topology. All the device connected with 192.168.159 network. Here you can right click on the device and go to the properties. Here you can see information for this device. Now let me right click on another device, like I have a Win Server 1. Go to the node property. You can get information of Win Server. IP address for this device. You can also add neighbor information for this device. You can see node information for 202. So hope you understand how you can simply scan using automated tool like SolarWinds Network Topology Mapper. So thank you for watching this video.